What's up everyone, it's 2025 and whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just starting your journey, Linux is an operating system that piques curiosity. In this video, we're breaking down the barrier to entry with the top 5 Linux commands every beginner must know. Think of these as your starter pack, the essential tools to navigate the Linux world. So, whether you're planning to set up a server, tinker with some code, or just want to know what's up with this whole Linux thing, stick around and let's dive right in. First up, we're tackling ls, possibly the most used command in your Linux arsenal. Type ls and hit enter, and boom, you get a list of all the files and folders present. Add a L after ls, that's LSL, and you unlock the detailed view. It's like switching from icons to a full-fledged spreadsheet view of your files, showing permissions, sizes, modification dates, and more. LSL vacation *.jpg quote will list all files starting with vacation and ending with quote.jpg. One common mistake beginners make is forgetting that Linux is case-sensitive. Quote vacation.jpg quote and quote vacation.jpg quote are two different things. Mastering ls is like learning the lay of the land in Linux. Use it, experiment with it, and soon you'll be navigating your Linux system like a pro. Now that you know how to see your files, let's talk about moving between them. That's where cd, short for change directory, comes in. Want to jump into that documents folder? Just type cd documents and hit enter. Remember that detailed view we unlocked with LSL? Well, it also shows you the directories present. A handy shortcut is using cd, that's 2 dots. This command acts like a back button, taking you up one level in the directory hierarchy. One common mistake is trying to cd into a file. Think of it this way, you can cd into a room, directory, but not into a book, file. Ever get lost in a maze of folders? Happens to the best of us. In Linux, you have a magic phrase to instantly reveal your location, pwd, which stands for Print Working Directory. Type pwd, hit enter, and the terminal will display the full path, like a breadcrumb trail, of your current location within the system. This command is incredibly useful when you're working with multiple directories and subdirectories, especially when you're deep within the system and lose track. One pro tip. Before running any command that modifies files or directories, always type pwd to confirm your location. It's a simple habit that can save you from a lot of headaches. Organizing your files is crucial, and in Linux, you're the architect of your digital workspace. mkdir, short for make directory, is your construction tool. Let's say you're starting a new project. Type mkdir my project, hit enter, and bam! You've created a new directory named my project. But what if you need subfolders within my project? No problem. mkdir my project documents will create a documents folder inside my project. A common mistake is trying to create a directory with a name that already exists. If you're unsure, a quick ls command will show you the existing directories. A well-structured workspace leads to a more productive and enjoyable Linux experience. Now with great power comes great responsibility. RM, short for remove, is the delete key of the Linux world. To delete a file, simply type rm file name. For instance, rmreport.txt quote will delete the file named quote report.txt. Directories need a slightly different approach. Rm r directory name will delete the directory and everything inside it. Here's the crucial part. Linux doesn't have a recycle bin. When you delete something with rm, it's gone for good. A good practice is to use rm I file name. The I stands for interactive, and it'll ask for your confirmation before deleting anything. And there you have it, the top 5 Linux commands that will take you from a complete beginner to feeling comfortable navigating the command line. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'll be dropping more Linux tutorials, tips, and tricks to help you unlock the full potential of this awesome operating system. So, go out there, open up your terminal, and start exploring the exciting world of Linux. And as always, thanks for watching.